Most people overspend on their PC case, and that's exactly why this video might save you money. We found 10 budget PC cases that offer surprisingly good airflow, features, and build quality for a fraction of the price of premium models. Let's see which ones are actually worth buying. Starting off at number 10 is the MUSETEX Y6 ATEX PC case, a modern mid-tower designed for builders who want a stunning showcase system without spending a fortune. Right away, the first thing you'll notice is its beautiful 270-degree panoramic tempered glass design that provides an almost uninterrupted view of your hardware. The case comes equipped with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, USB-C Type-C connectivity, support for up to a 360mm radiator, and plenty of room for today's powerful gaming components. In real-world gaming and productivity builds, the Y6 delivers impressive airflow and thermal performance, especially when additional fans are installed. Compared to the Montech King 95, the MUSETEX is the Next up is the NZXT H3 Flow Micro ATEX PC case, and this one takes a completely different approach. Instead of focusing primarily on flashy aesthetics, NZXT puts airflow and efficiency front and center, featuring high airflow mesh panels, support for full-size graphics cards, compatibility with back-connect motherboards, an included 120mm rear fan, and radiator support up to 280mm in the front and 240mm. On top, the H3 Flow is engineered to maximize cooling in a compact footprint. Compared to the MUSETEX Y6, the NZXT sacrifices some of the panoramic visual appeal but gains an advantage in airflow, optimization, and space efficiency. Compared to the LianLi A3 M8X, the H3 Flow prioritizes cooling simplicity, while the A3 offers more customization flexibility. In real-world use, the H3 Flow consistently delivers excellent thermal performance for its size and makes building surprisingly easy thanks to its clean internal layout. If you're short on desk space but still want to run powerful GA, moving on, we have the DARKFlash DS900 ATX mid-tower PC case, a case that combines premium showcase aesthetics with strong airflow performance. Featuring dual tempered glass panels, 4 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, USB Type-C connectivity, and support for up to a 360mm liquid cooler, the DS900 creates a beautiful platform for RGB-focused gaming builds. Compared to the NZXT H3 Flow, the DarkFlash offers significantly more visual impact and room for expansion. Compared to the Corsair 3500X RGB, the DS900 delivers a similar panoramic showcase experience while maintaining a more budget-friendly price. In real-world gaming systems, the included PWM fans provide solid cooling right out of the box, helping maintain stable temperatures without requiring immediate upgrades. For gamers who want premium aesthetics without paying premium prices, the DS900 strikes a very attractive balance between form and function. Next in the lineup is the KEDIERS P4, a case built for gamers who believe there's no such thing as too much airflow. Featuring dual tempered glass panels, 7 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, USB Type-C connectivity, and support for high-performance gaming hardware, the P4 arrives ready for serious cooling right out of the box. Compared with the DarkFlash DS900, the KEDIERS offers a significantly larger stock cooling package, making it a stronger performer for users who want maximum airflow without purchasing extra fans. Compared with the Montech King 95 Pro, the KEDIERS provides exceptional value and aggressive cooling, while the Montech counters with slightly better materials and refinement. In gaming, streaming, and productivity workloads, the P4 keeps temperatures impressively low while delivering vibrant RGB lighting that turns any build into a centerpiece. If value and cooling performance are your priorities, the KEDIERS P4 is one of the strongest contenders in this entire comparison. At number 6, we have the LianLi V100RX, a premium airflow-focused case from one of the most respected names in PC hardware. Featuring 4 pre-installed 120mm RGB PWM fans, an integrated RGB light strip, support for graphics cards up to 420mm long tempered glass presentation, and compatibility with 360mm radiators, the V100RX offers an excellent balance between aesthetics and functionality. Compared with the KEDIERS P4, The LianLi provides a more refined overall build quality and cleaner internal layout. Compared with the Montech King 95 Pro, it focuses more heavily on traditional airflow optimization than panoramic presentation. In real-world use, the V100RX consistently delivers strong cooling performance while maintaining the premium feel enthusiasts expect from LianLi products. For builders who want a dependable, well-built, and visually appealing case, the V100RX is an outstanding choice. Next up is the DARKROCK Classico Storage Master, and this is where the list takes an interesting turn. Unlike most gaming-focused cases here, the Storage Master is designed specifically for users who need massive storage capacity. Supporting up to 10 3.5-inch hard drives and 3 2.5-inch SSDs, along with 4 pre-installed 120mm fans, vertical GPU mounting, dual 360mm radiator support, and extensive expansion options. This case is perfect for NAS systems, content creators, home labs, and media servers. Compared with the Fractal Design-defined 7XL, the DARKROCK emphasizes storage density and value, while the Fractal focuses more on premium refinement and acoustic performance. While it may not be the flashiest case on this list, it easily dominates when it comes to storage expansion and long-term flexibility. If your priorities go beyond gaming and include serious data storage, this case is in a league of its own. Moving further up the rankings, we arrive at the FOIFKIN F1, a case that delivers one of the strongest combinations of airflow, RGB lighting, and value. Featuring 6 pre-installed PWM-RGB fans, USB Type-C connectivity, support for 360mm radiators, and a spacious interior designed for high-end gaming systems, the F1 provides impressive cooling performance right out of the box. Compared with the DARKROCK Storage Master, the FOIFKIN focuses far more on gaming and visual presentation. Compared with the Montech Air 903 Max, the F1 offers stronger RGB aesthetics and more included fans, while the Montech often edges ahead in airflow refinement. In real-world use, the FOIFKIN handles demanding workloads with ease while delivering a clean and attractive build experience. For gamers who want premium-looking airflow performance without overspending, the F1 is one of the best value-focused options available. At number 3, we have the Bgears Boptilusion, one of the most visually unique cases in today's comparison. Featuring its signature optical illusion RGB front panel, tempered glass side panel, eATX motherboard support, and expansive hardware compatibility. This case is designed to make a statement. Compared with the FOIFKIN F1, the Bgears focuses more heavily on visual customization than included cooling hardware. Compared with the Fractal Design North, it embraces bold RGB effects rather than premium minimalist aesthetics. Because it doesn't include pre-installed fans, builders have complete freedom to choose their own cooling configuration, which can be both a benefit and a drawback, depending on your goals. For users who want a one-of-a-kind RGB showcase build, the Boptilusion delivers an experience few competitors can match. Coming in at number 2 is the Vetroo AL900, a case that instantly stands out thanks to its gorgeous 270-degree panoramic glass design and distinctive styling. Featuring support for up to 10 fans, compatibility with 360mm radiators, USB Type-C connectivity, support for large next-generation graphics cards, and a spacious, modern layout, the AL900 is built for enthusiasts who want a premium showcase platform. Compared with the Bgears Boptilusion, the Vetroo offers a more polished and modern design philosophy. Compared with the Height Y70, it delivers a similar immersive showcase experience at a significantly lower price, although the Height still holds an advantage in premium construction and advanced features. In real-world gaming systems, the AL900 offers tremendous cooling potential when fully populated with fans and creates one of the most visually striking builds in this entire lineup. For showcase-focused builders, it is an exceptional option. What do you think so far? Would you choose? And finally, taking the top spot before our final verdict is the JONSBO D32 STD Micro ADX PC case. Don't let its compact size fool you. This is one of the most intelligently designed cases in the entire comparison. supporting MUSETEX back-connect motherboards, graphics cards up to 365mm, 240mm liquid coolers, large air coolers, ATX and SFX power supplies, and USB 3.2 connectivity. The D32 maximizes every inch of available space. Compared with the NZXT H3 Flow, the JONSBO provides stronger hardware compatibility and support for back-connect motherboards. Compared with the LianLi A3 MUSETEX, it emphasizes compact efficiency while maintaining excellent component support. In real-world use, the D32 handles powerful gaming and productivity hardware remarkably well despite its compact dimensions. It combines excellent build quality, modern compatibility, efficient cooling, and impressive versatility in a package that's both practical and elegant. For builders seeking a compact powerhouse, the